Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about China's J-20 stealth fighter is reported taking on an important new role protecting strategic nuclear bombers. The J-20 is one of the China's most advanced fighter aircraft. It was designed mainly for air superiority and long-range mission, but new reports suggest that some J-20 units may now to train to operate alongside China's strategic bomber forces. Why is this important? China operates the H-69, a long-range strategic bomber capable to carrying a nuclear weapon. These bombers are an important part of China's nuclear forces. However, long, large, and powerful bombers can become target for enemy fighter aircraft and long-range air defense systems. This is where the J-20 could play a major role because the J-20 has stealth feature. It is designed for the harder for enemy radar to detect and attack. It long range also allow it operate far from China's air bases. It is a bomber escort mission. J-20 fighter jets could potentially fly ahead of alongside strategic bomber. Their job could include watching for enemy aircraft, identifying threat, and helping protect the bombers during long-range operations. The combination of stealth fighter jets and strategic bombers could make China's long-range air operation more difficult for an opponent to predict. There is another important point. A bomber does not always need to enter heavily defended airspace to launch a long-range weapon. If the bomber can stay further away from enemy defense, fighter in courts may focus on protecting the bomber and controlling the surrounding airspace. The J-20 new role would therefore show how China is developing a more integrated air and nuclear strategy. However, many details about this mission remain classified. Public reports do not provide a complete picture of how many J-20 aircraft are assigned to this role or exactly how they would operate with nuclear capable bombers. Experts are watching this development because it could affect the balance of air power in the Asia Pacific region. If J-20 units are increasingly used to protect strategic bombers, China could be building a more capable long-range strike force combining stealth fighter jet, bomber, missile, and advanced surveillance system. For now, the real scale of this development is still nuclear and unnuclear. But one of things is becoming increasingly clear. China J-20 is no longer being viewed simply as a fighter aircraft. This role could be expanding into a such much longer and larger part of China long-range military strategy, and that could have major implications for the future of air power and nuclear detectors. And what do you think about this? Tell me your opinion in comment. Please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.